welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve lead code problems. Okay, so we are going to solve problem number one, which is based on array. So the problem name is missing numbers. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen that you can see what I am going to learn or teach you, what I am going to learn myself and what I am going to teach you. Okay, so here you can see lead code. Okay, so this is the problem number two. So now I am going to solve problem this one, missing number. Okay, so problem number 268, not a one. So here we are going to change its number 268, 1 into a 268. Okay, so here we are going to solve this problem. Okay, okay, so here you can see missing numbers. Okay, problem number 268 and problem name is missing numbers, and the question is given an array numbers containing n distinct number in the range of 0 and n. Okay, so return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay, so they give you in example 1 numbers are 3 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, and output should be 2 because 2 is missing. Like look at here, we have 0 1 also here, but 2 is missing in this number and they get 3, so output should be 2 because 2 is the missing number. So here you can see n equals to 3 because we have 3 elements. Since there are three numbers, so all numbers are in the range 0 comma 3, and 2 is the missing number in the range since it does not appear in a numbers. Okay, so explanation numbers sorry, example 2, we have numbers equals to 0 comma 1 and output should be 2 because 2 is not there, and its length of n equals to 2, length of number equals to 2. Since there are two numbers, so all number are in the range of 0 to 2, so 2 is the missing number in the range since it does not appear in the numbers. Okay, so you can see here third example, numbers, these are the numbers and output should be 8 because it is missing number from here. So n equals to 9. Since there are 9 numbers, so all numbers are in the range 0 to 9. 8 is the missing number in the range since it does not appear in the numbers. Okay, so here this is the class and this is the function, and here I am going to pass self numbers and list. Okay, so I need to copy this, control C, control V. Okay, so here this is our question, missing problem number given an array and containing n distinct number taken from 0 1 2 up to n and find the missing number. Okay, so we are going to solve this question, that's why I am showing you this. Okay, so here I am going to solve missing numbers. Okay, so first of all I take one array 3 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, and length of array equals to 3, 1 2 3. We have 3 elements inside this, so that's why its length equals to 3. Now total sum equals to, how do you calculate total sum? So here you can see total sum equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so here we have n equals to 3, 3 into in bracket 3 plus 1. Okay, this is the formula that I am going to use to find out the missing number. Okay, so here we are going to find out total sum by using this formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 into in bracket 3 plus 1 divided by 2, so we got 6. Okay, so total sum of this 6. Okay, now we are going to calculate sum of the array. Okay, so sum of the array 3 plus 0 plus 1. Okay, so we are going to add these number 3 plus 0 plus 1, that is equals to 4. This is the sum of array. Okay, now we are going to missing. Okay, so missing equals to total sum minus sum of array. Okay, so 6 minus 4 we got 2. So this is our missing number, total sum minus sum of array. So here I am going to create, I am going to write a code for this. Okay, so uh, from typing import list. Okay, after this, okay, I need to paste it here. Okay, so this is our class name and this is a for function name. Okay, here I am going to pass these arguments self and numbers, number that is list, this one, this is array. Okay, so this is the array in 3 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, so number should be in list and integer and output should be also integer, that's why I need to write it here. Okay, and after this I need to create I need to write, sorry, n equals to length of array, length of numbers. Okay, because we are going to use use numbers equals to these numbers is a variable. Okay, that have multiple different numbers. Okay, so here with the help of this we need to calculate the length of this number. Okay, so we have three numbers, so its length also 3. Okay, now I am going to calculate total, this one total sum. Okay, so here total uh, equals to, I am writing n into in bracket n plus 1. Okay, that is divided by 2, that we got total, this one 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2, we got 6. Okay, here we got 6. Now I am going to calculate array sum. Okay, so here this one sum of array, so here we are going to use array and we are going to just write sum, array equals to sum of numbers, these sum of these numbers. Okay, so here we got 4. Okay, if we calculate 3 plus 0 plus 1. Okay, and now I am going to calculate missing. So missing equals to total minus array. Okay, now I am going to return, or should I need to return missing. Okay, so here this is our code for finding the missing number. So missing equals to total minus array. So here this is for testing purpose. I need to take one array, that is 3 comma 0 comma 1, and print solution. Solution is the class. Okay, and dot missing numbers, this is the function, and here I am going to pass this array. Okay, that it will print the solution. So here I am going to copy and paste it here. Okay, so I got 2, because 2 is the number that I have missed in this list. This is the missing number, 2 is the missing number. Okay, so I got 2. I hope guys you got it, or you like my video. Please do share, like, subscribe. Bye bye, take care. Now I'm going to move with another problem in next video. Okay, please watch me continue. Bye bye, take care. अरे भाई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही, भूल गई हूँ मैं। क्या हुआ शिबू? ओ शिबू, what are you doing? हाय सहदेव जी, मैं अच्छी हूँ। आप कैसे हो? पहचानते हो कि नहीं? मैं आपको पर्सनली तो नहीं जानती हूँ, बस यही लाइव पे देखा है आपको। लाइव पे आते हो ना, तो लाइव पे ही देखा है आपको, मैंने कई बार देखा हुआ है। क्या हुआ? लाभ पंचम की आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको भी डियर। क्या हुआ कैलाश? हम्म। आज की रात न जाना तू सवना। आपसे मिलना है, मेरे से मत मिलो भैया। मेरे से मिलके क्या करो? क्या बोलता है कैलाश, स्पेलिंग सही से लिख कैलाश, उल्टा सीधा मत लिखा कर, मार दूंगी तेरे को। So hello guys, we are going to solve another problem of lead code. Okay, so the problem number is 121. Okay, buy and sell. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so please, if you like my videos, and if you if you're interested in learning, if you want to learn something from DSA, or if you want to learn coding, then please do share, subscribe and comments on my video, please please please. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so here we can search lead code 121. Okay, this is the problem that I'm going to solve. Okay, so here you can see best time to buy and sell. Okay, so you are given an array price, their price of I is the price of given stock on the day 1, ith day. Okay, so here price of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay, and you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy. You can buy your product at single day. Okay, single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Okay, so like if I buy, okay, one stock today, now I want to sell. Okay, so I can't sell today. Instead of today, I will sell it tomorrow. So we can choose different day. Okay, so here written the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay, so here you can see written the maximum profit, so we are going to return the maximum profit with the help of this. Okay, so you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Like if you have, like if you don't have any profit, then you need to return it 0. Okay, and if you got any profit, then you can return it's the profit, maximum profit. Okay, so like if you have a price. Okay, this these are the price 1 comma 7, 7 comma 1 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4. Okay, and output is 5. Okay, so explanation: buy on day 2. Okay, price equals to 1, price equals to 1, buy on day 2 and sell on day 5. Okay, so price equals to 6. So buy on day 2. If you I'm going to buy it on day 2, and that price equals to 1, and now I'm going to sell it on day 5, that price equals to 6. Okay, suppose I buy this product at price 1 and sell this product on another day, that is day 5, that has price with 6. I sell the product with price with 6. Okay, so now I'm going to calculate its profit. Profit equals to 6 minus 1, because I buy the product at price 1 from the price 1. Okay, at day 2, and I have already sold this product, and sold price of this product is 6. So I got profit 6 minus 1, I got 5. Okay, so this is the profit. Note that buying one day, note that buying on day 2 and selling on day 1 is not allowed. Okay, like buying on day 2 and selling on day 1, this is not allowed. Before selling you need to buy it. Okay, so day 1 you need to buy, and you can choose another day to sell this product. Okay, so allow because you must buy before you sell. Okay, so first of all you need to buy, then you can sell. Okay, so you can see here another example. These are the price and this is the zero. Explanation: in this case no transaction are done and the maximum profit is equals to 0. Okay, so here this is the class of lead code. They use for every problem. This class they use for every problem, and this is the function maximum profit. Here I am going to use argument self and price, and output should be in integer. Okay, so here I am going to explain you again these things. Okay, so like this is the example 7 1 comma 5. Okay, so price equals to 7 1 5. Okay, and day 1, day 2 and day 3. Okay, so these are the price, and this will sell one by one, day 1, day 2 and day 3. Okay, so step by step check out, check, step by step check, buy and sell. Okay, not check out, sorry. So here buy day 1. Okay, so I'm going to buy day 1 price 7, this one. Buy day 1 price 7. Okay, so sell day 2 because we can't sell it at in day 1. Okay, so sell day 2, its price equals to 1. So our profit equals to 1 minus 7 because we buy it with price of 7 and sell it with price of 1 in day 2. So 1 minus 7 equals to minus 6. We got loss. Okay, and here now I am going to sell day 3. Here you can see here day 3 we have 5. So day 3 we are our price equals to 5. By day I mean we are going to sell this product day 3 5. So here you can see sell day 3 price 5. Okay, so profit we can check profit. Okay, so 5 we are going to sell it in 5. So 5 minus 7 because in day 1 we already buy this with 7 with the price of 7. So 5 minus 7 equals to minus 2. So we got loss here. Now by day 2, okay, with price 1. Okay, so I'm going to sell this. So I'm going to sell it at day 3. So price equals to 5. With price equals to 5 I'm going to sell this. Okay, but I buy it with price 1. So I can check profit equals to 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So this is the profit. I think you got it. So final maximum price equals to 4. Buy at 1 and sell at 5. Here buy at 1 and sell at 5. Okay, now I am going to solve this problem. So here I am going to use this thing, same class and same function. I need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, so here initially we have maximum profit equals to maximum profit equals to 0 and n equals to length of price. ERICES. Okay, price. And after this I am going to use loop for I in range. I in range of n. Okay, so this is for buy buy the product for I in range. This is the outer loop for I in range of n. Okay, from this. Now I am going to use another loop for j in range of I plus 1 comma n. Okay, so here like this is the j. Okay, so here if you buy product at day 1, that is 7. Okay, buy product day 1 with price 7. Okay, so this is the 7. This is a, like I'm going to use I, so this is the I. At I equals to 0, we have 7 here. Okay, so now in next step, sell day. Okay, so sell day equals to here, like I equals to these things buy day, and j equals to sell day. So this is the sell day, j I plus 1. So here, like if you use for loop and j for j in range of I plus 1. Okay, so here if I have I equals to 0, here I need to give I equals to 0. I equals to 0, we have what we have 7, price 7. Okay, okay, now you can see in comment, this is for buy day. Buy day. Okay, so this is for buy day. I equals to 0, we have 7. At index 0, we have 7. Okay, but in sell day, I use these things I plus j. This is for sell day. I use I plus j. I plus 1. Okay, I use I plus 1. Okay, so here you can see I plus 1, that is here I equals to 0 and I plus 1, this one 1. Okay, so here you can see 0 plus 1, we have what? I think I need to give here not numbers, price. Whatever. Okay, so like if we have these prices, okay, so prices at I plus 1. Okay, so here I equals to 0 and here we have 1. Okay, we already have 1, this one. Okay, so here at 0 plus 1 at index 1, so we have 1. Okay, this is for buy day and this is for sell day. So here I am going to write 1. Okay, and this is the 7, or you can also write this as a price in bracket I equals to 0. Okay, that is equals to 7 and this is equals to 1. I think you got this. Now I am going to apply one condition here. From here, okay, if number of I, if okay, actually I am writing price here, I am not using numbers. So here if price of I okay, so like I'm not going to apply any conditions. So here to write profit equals to price of, okay, price of I plus price of 1, price of j, price of profit equals to price of I, price of j minus price of j minus I. Okay, so here here you can see we are going to calculate profit here. Okay, so price of this is the j. Okay, that is I plus 1. So this is the j minus price of I, price of j minus price of I. Okay, at I equals to 0 we have 7, and at j equals to I plus 1 we have 1. Okay, so here we are going to calculate its profit. Now so after this I have calculated profit. If profit, I am going to apply condition. If profit is greater than maximum profit, this profit. Okay, so if profit is greater than maximum profit, okay, this profit is greater than to this one. Okay, so here if profit is greater than maximum profit, then maximum profit is equals to profit. Okay, so maximum profit it will become profit. Now I am going to return here, return maximum profit. Okay, I need to run this. Now I am going to use this for testing. Okay, so I got answer 4. You can see here this is the object of class solution. Okay, print solution dot maximum profit 7 comma 1 comma 5. Okay, so we got output equals to 4. So this is our output. I hope guys you got this. Okay, so our maximum profit equals to 4 in this one. I am going to stop my screen. Like I'm going to solve another problem. If you want to learn DSA with me, then you can follow me, subscribe me. You can follow me on Instagram. You can subscribe me on YouTube, and please do share, like, and comments. Bye bye. Take care. So hello guys, today we are going to solve another problem of array. Okay, so here I'm going to share your screen, but before you need to do share, subscribe and like and comments. Okay, like if you want to learn coding, or if you want to learn generative AI, and if you want to learn AI, so I will teach you. um, Please, if you want to learn, then please share, subscribe and like and comments. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to use simple YouTube Studio to solve the problem. Here I'm just going to share my screen. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to solve this problem, find the number. Okay, that is from array. So I'm going to show you dry run of it, like array equals to, we have these number inside there, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, and target equals to 7. Here we are going to find the number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so these are the step 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And here this is the I value, I equals to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we increase I by 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 by 1. Okay, if I am going to apply loop, okay, then it will solve the problem of this. So here array of I equals to at index 0. Okay, 0 at index 0, I of 0 we have 1. Okay, we have 1 here. And now we can see here array of 2 at index I equals to here you can see at index 1 we have 2 array of I. At index 2 we have 3. At index 4 we have 5. And at index 3 we have 4. Okay, and at index 4 we have 5. At index 5 we have 6. This, and at index 6 we have 7. Okay, and now we can take also this number, you can take it. Okay, now I'm going to compare this number. Okay, so here you can see 1 equals to 7. I'm going to compare these things, array of I and target. Okay, so here 1 is equals to 7, no, this is false. Okay, 2 is equals to 7, this one, and this target, no, false. 3 is equals to 7, false. 4 equals to 7, false. 5 equals to 7, false. 6 equals to 7, false. 7 equals to 7, equals to true. Okay, so we matched here our condition, so this will show you true, and return 6, because we are going to return its index. Okay, so here I'm going to write code. I need to copy class from here. Okay, so class solution. Now I am going to define one function, df find number, and number here inside this I am going to pass self array comma target column. Okay, now I am going to use for loop for I in range length of array, length of array okay, I need to put column here, and after this for I in length of array. Okay, in this, now I am going to apply conditions. If array of I, if array of I is equals to target, is equals to target, then what we are going to return true. Sorry, like if condition is true, if array of I equals to target, then what we are going to return, sorry, return I. Okay, otherwise it will return what? -1. Now I'm going to check by this example test. Okay, this is the object of class solution. These are the numbers of array, and this is the print statement that I'm going to print. This is the solution, object of class solution class, and find the number. This is the function, and this is my array, and output should be 6. Okay, so I hope guys you got it. Like here you can see array of 0 and array of I. Sorry, I equals to 0 and array of I we have 1. At 0 index we have 1, and now comparing these elements one by one. So you need to check first condition. Okay, so here for I in range of length of array, so here array of I means here I am going to check 1 equals to 7 is target. Okay, so here this condition is false. Okay, so we can move with another condition. Here this is the I at I equals to 1 we have array 2. So now we are going to match 2 is equals to 7 here. Okay, so this will also not match. Okay, then again we are going to move here. At I equals to 2 we have 3, so 3 equals to 7. Okay, so this will also not match, false. Okay, so here we are going to take I equals to 3 we have 4, at index 3 we have 4, so we are going to check 4 equals to 7. No, this is also not match. Okay, now at index 4 we have 5 element, 5 here at index 4, so here 5 equals to 7. No, this is also false. Okay, at index 5 we have 6, so 6 equals to 7. No. Okay, now we can check here. At index 6 we have 7. Okay, so here 7 equals to target. Okay, so this will match. Okay, this is true, then it will return index of I. So we have at 6 index 6, we find out 7 at index 6, that's why I need to return its index, that is 6. Okay, otherwise it will return, if you don't find any match from this code, from this array, then it will return -1. Okay, otherwise it will return the index. Okay, so I hope you got this, and our answer is 6. Okay, because at index 6 we have array of I equals to target. Okay guys, so like I'm going to stop sharing. If you want to learn DSA with me, then you can please share, subscribe, like and comment. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye, take care. विजय, तुम कर दो ना सुपर चैट, कोई नहीं करता सुपर चैट। कोई नहीं करता सुपर चैट मेरे को। So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so here I am going to solve problem maximum product of two number. Okay, the problem number is 1464 problem lead code. Okay, so if you like my video and like if you want to learn coding with me, then you can please share subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so here you can see maximum product of two integer. Okay, so like if you want to search here, then it will give you lead code 41464. Okay, so I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, so maximum product of two element in an array. Okay, so here you can see this is the title of the problem, maximum product of two element in the array. And here this is the statement, given the array of integer numbers. Okay, these are the numbers, and you will choose two different indices 1 I and j of the array. Return the maximum value of number I minus 1 into number of j minus 1. Okay, so here this is the numbers and output is 12. Okay, like if you choose the indices I equals to 1, here 4, and j equals to 2, 0 1 2, then indices index from 0, so you will get the maximum value, that is number I number numbers of 1 minus 1. Here this is the index of I. Okay, numbers of at index 2 minus 1, so here we have 4 at index 1, 4 minus 1, and at index 2 we have 5, 5 minus 1, and then we got 3 into 4. This is the solution, this is the answer. Okay, 4 minus 1 into 5 minus 1. Okay, so here this is the another number, and output is 16. Choose the indices I equals to 1 and j equals to 3. Indexed from 0, you will get the maximum value of 5 minus 1. At index we have 5, and at index 3 we have 0 1 2 3, we already have 5, so 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 1 equals to 16. Okay, like if you have number like this, then you got output of this. Okay, so here I need to explain the diagram of this question. Okay, so maximum product of two number. Okay, so here you can see these are the state 1 2 3, and these are the numbers 3 4 2. Okay, for example we took this 3 4 and 2, these are the numbers. Okay, 3 4 2, maximum we are going to find out maximum max 1 or max 2, and explanation, this is another column that we can explain. Okay, so here at initial state maximum number, maximum 1 of equals to 3. Okay, and maximum 2 equals to 0. Okay, first number maximum updated. Okay, so here we are going to update maximum number 1 is 3. Okay, so here we took only 3, here number equals to 3, so maximum number equals to 3, and here maximum number maximum 2 equals to 0. Okay, after this we need to take this number 4, number equals to 4, now it will become maximum 1. Okay, now I need to define, I need to find out which is what this is the first maximum. Okay, maximum 1, and this is the this one, now this will become maximum 1 max 2, this is the another number maximum 2. Maximum 1 is 4, maximum 2 is 3. Okay, now we need to take 2 here, this is the 2 number, so the 2 is less than to the 4, but we don't need to change here because 2 is less than to the 4. Okay, so maximum number still is 4, and maximum now we need to compare this number and 2, maximum 2. Okay, but number is still less than to the maximum number 2. So okay, so still we have maximum 2 equals to 3. Okay, so here you can see first number, so maximum 1 is updated here. Okay, and here we are going to take 4, so 4 is greater than maximum 1. Okay, 4 is greater than maximum 1 because we have 3 in previous stage. So now we keep maximum 1 equals to 4 and maximum 2 equals to maximum 1. Previous maximum 2, here we need to take this one, maximum 2 equals to maximum 1. Okay, so our maximum 2 is value is updated. So this is 3. Now we have 2, so we are going to compare this 2 with maximum 1 and maximum 2. So 2 is less than from maximum 1 and also less than to the maximum 2. So there is no changes and no need to change it. Now find out maximum product. Okay, so here first maximum over 3 and first is 4 and second is 3. So 4 minus 1 and 3 minus 1, we got 32 equals to 6. Okay, so here I am going to write code 3 like not 32, yeah, this is 3 into 2. I missed. Okay, this is 3 into 2 and why they write like 32. 3 into 2. Okay, this is 6. Now I am going to write code define max product product. Here I am going to pass numbers and you have numbers and here columns, and I am going to create variable maximum 1 and maximum 2. So initially it will be 0 0 comma 0. Okay, maximum 1 and maximum 2 0, maximum 1 and maximum 2 is 0. Now I am going to use for loop for numbers in for num in numbers. Okay, these are the numbers in these are the num in numbers. Okay, so we are going to take one by one. Like this is like 4 number in numbers, so number equals to 3. Okay, if we take number equals to 3. Okay, so here in current number equals to 3. Okay, now if number is greater than max 1, okay, then I need to find out 3 is greater than max 1. Yes, because initially we have a 3 is greater than to the max 1 because we have 0. Okay, now this condition is true. Now I am going to update max 2. Max 2 equals to max 1. Okay, so here previously we have a max 2 equals to 0 and also so this is 0 and both are 0, max 2 and max 1, so it will become 0 here, max 2 and max 1, and here in max 1 should be updated by numbers. Okay, so max 1 initially we had 0, now it will become 3. else number is greater than max 2. If number is greater than max 2, okay, then max 2 equals to number. Okay, if this number is greater than to the max 2, then it will update max 2 become number. Okay, so here I am going to return if elif not else. Okay, Now I am going to return max minus 1, max 1 minus 1 into max 2 minus 1. Print max product. This function I need to use here. I'm going to call this, and here I'm going to pass NUMS numbers equals to 3, 4, 1. Okay, so here you can see. Oh, I need to put colon here. Okay, so you can see we are going to find out maximum product of two numbers. Okay, so here we already take 3. Now we are going to take 4. Number is 4. So here number value is 4. Okay, now we are going to check if number is greater than maximum 1. Yes. Okay, so previously we have 3. So 4 is greater than sorry, so previous our new number is 4, so 4 is greater than max 1. Okay, so previously we have 3, so 4 is greater than 3. So here you can see 4 is greater than 3. Now we are going to update maximum 2 is become max 1. Okay, so here that's why we need to update max 2 value is 3, because before we have max 1 equals to 3. So now it will we are going to assign this value max 2 equals to max 1. So here that's why we have 3, and here now we are also going to update value maximum 1 equals to numbers. Okay, that is 4. Okay, so here you can see 4 is greater than maximum 1, and maximum 2 equals to maximum 1, and maximum 1 equals to 4. And in elif number is greater than maximum 2. If number is greater than maximum 2, then maximum 2 is equals to numbers, and return maximum 1 minus 1 into max 2 minus 1. So here this is the answer. Okay, so 6. We got 6. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1 equals to 6. Okay, I hope you got it. Guys, if you like my video, please do share, subscribe. Bye bye. See you in next video. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारम् Hello guys, so today we are going to solve another problem of DSA. Okay, so I'm going to share screen with you. 1 minute, wait for a minute. So here, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so here I'm going to find out middle of list, like I need to define simple function. Define middle. Here I'm going to pass lst, that is list, and here I'm going to return lst. Inside this I need to pass 1, start index from 1 and end with index -1. Okay, so here I am going to provide lst list a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to print this. So print, I am going to use this function. I am going to call this function here. Okay, so function name middle, and here I am going to pass list a. Okay, so here you can see I have this list 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it has index. At index 0 we have 1, at index 1 we have 2, at index 2 we have 3, at index 3 we have 4. Okay, so here we are going to return list from index 1 to -1. Okay, so here start, I mean we are going to start from here. So at 0 we have 1, at index 1 we have 2, so this will start from 2. Okay, at -1 we have 4. Okay, so here I'm going to print this, so this will give you 2 and 3. Okay, so like at index 1 we have 2, this one at index minus uh, like it will start -1, so it will exclude it, this one, and here this is the another element. So this is the middle of the list. Okay, so I think you got it. I hope this is a very small problem. I am going to solve every level of problem, like easy, medium and complex. Okay, so if you like my video, please do share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care. Hi Bharat, namaste.